Hi, this is Ashish.
Hello, this is Aruta.
Hi, this is Ayansh.
Happy New Year!
Thank you guys for helping us cross 1000 subscribers.
Yay!
It wouldn't be possible without your love and support.
So keep showing your love, keep watching our videos, and thank you once again.
We will
We love
continue
you.
to make amazing content.
So let's begin this year with a new place, which is our most favorite. New tastes and many new memories to cherish.
Hey guys, what's up? We are at Raj Bar and Restaurant, and this is the view that you can see from the restaurant. Isn't it amazing? It's low tide today, so you can see almost everything is dried up, and you can see the rocks. It's the first time that we have come here, and we'll be experiencing their fish thali. And I've heard that they have very good fish, which is very fresh. So can't wait to taste that as well. Place is really amazing. It's very rustic, proper local Goan style, and I think it can't get better than this. This restaurant is located in Dona Paula, Odxel beach near Bay 15. Take a right turn if you are heading from Dona Paula, or take a left turn if you are coming from Pambolim. So guys, it's a steep and a narrow road, so drive very carefully. The restaurant is located in a very calm and peaceful area under the coconut trees, and it is also very close to the beach. If you just walk behind the restaurant, there is a beautiful sea view which you will get to experience. Nothing fancy, it's just pure nature and authentic, delicious Goan food which makes this place really special. Just check this out, guys. Isn't it beautiful?
fishthali was more solo. My special Dona Paula, GOBRO fish from
Okay.
Lepo, Bomil.
आणि फिश सामके फ्रेश मरे तुमचे.
Fish sizes स्वतःचे fresh आहे.
Okay. आणि guys, this is Shravan, and he is the owner of Raj Bar and Restaurant. आणि आज कितें येता आमकां तूं मोडसो थाली मरे. मोडसो थाली. ओके. आणि हे कितें आसा म्हणल्यार शिणायणे बी?
Xinaino, Parwa, Dona Paula, GOBRO fish.
एक शिणायणे दी मरे, एक मोडसो थाली आणि एक गोबरो दी सेपरेट. हां. आणि फ्रेश लायम सोडा आसा न्ही?
Fresh lamb.
एक स्वीट आणि एक सॉल्ट. ओके. Thank you. So we just got here in time, and we were lucky enough to get a seat. We are at Raj Bar and Restaurant here in Odxel, in Dona Paula, and very close to Bay 15. So guys, the service is a little bit slow, but for fresh fish and good food, you need to be a little bit patient. Seems all excited.
Yeah.
Looking at the fish thali.
This is the rice plate. This is rice, as you can see. Fish fry is morso.
Morso fish.
Yes. This is morso fish. And we have salad and sol curry with some onion and some nice garnish on it. And there is cabbage bugat.
Cabbage bugar.
Yes, and then clams.
Pistache suke.
Suke. And we have fish curry.
Yeah. Fish head, I guess.
Yeah.
Modkache.
Wow, awesome.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Cruise करने का. I'm trying the fish curry. And I can see that you want to try it as much as I do.
Let's try.
Yes. It's also amazing. This is so tasty. The curry is super tasty.
So it's worth the wait, right?
Yes, it is. And I'm trying the mosa.
Modes of fish.
So fresh. So juicy. And well marinated. I love the masala. It's super tasty.
So you're trying the clams?
Yes.
Very local, very rustic, no?
Yeah, it's superb.
Homemade. Shravan just told me that his mother
and
is cooking inside.
Like grandma style.
Yeah, and she is not ready to come on the video. She is hesitating. So I said that's fine.
Yeah. Let's try the bhaji. Very nice. I think best so far
Yes,
that I have tried. Yeah.
that's the reason, there is a lot of crowd and people are waiting to try this thali. So guys, we have ordered for GOBRO, or what we call the rock fish in English. So just check this out.
This is the most tastiest
Most tastiest fish.
in Goa.
Yeah, and hard to find in most of the restaurants. But you can come to Raj Bar Restaurant and try GOBRO fish. Wow. Taste is totally different. It's not morso. It's not chorna. GOBRO. Amazing. It's fried to perfection. Masalas are awesome. The best so far.
Orange is missing this.
Yes.
Amazing. So juicy, yeah. Mackerel.
That's the extra rice we ordered. With that you get the mackerel.
How's the soul curry?
Very nice, refreshing, and it's perfect. It's over.
Everything is over. We're done. The best for the last.
Melts in your mouth.
Leave some for me.
Yeah, this is for you. Best.
Nice food, nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you. It was amazing, yeah.
Fish was mind blowing, very tasty.
And GOBRO, I think the best GOBRO I've ever had in any of the
My favorite fish.
restaurants. I think this would be our go-to restaurant anytime now. Amazing food. Raj Bar and Restaurant is one place where you can come and enjoy your fish thali. The highlight was the fish curry and GOBRO, the rock fish. I haven't tasted GOBRO like this in any of the restaurants which I have tried. and this is one of the best GOBRO fish that I have tasted here. Very fresh, and the size you could see was massive, and the masala was perfect. Shravan told me that we should visit in the evening, like for dinner. So that time the crowd is a little less, and you can relax and you can enjoy your food. So let's come sometimes in the evening. Enjoy the sunset with a glass of beer, mussels, GOBRO, and your fish thali. That would be your perfect day and a perfect trip to Goa.
Thanks for watching our videos.
Have a wonderful year ahead. Share, like, and do subscribe to our channel. Ash says so, signing off. See you soon in our next video.